Galing. No Wi-Fi. Concern dyan.
No, you have.
Huh?
You have now.
Wi-Fi? Oh.
From my phone, connect. Hotspot. You ma'am, you can order it out, pick up, and that's it. Then you take it home, and then you're gonna put your phone. That could be it.
Books. Good big copy. You can. Oh, wine. Galing.
Ay, jadi kusin.
No, frozen.
Ah, frozen mo gusto mo?
Yeah.
Hanggang na ko siya.
It's already done. Okay. There we go. It's done. Already done. You cannot use it.
Hindi, maka-frozen na mo. Ang kuan mong dumam ka ng blender.
Okay na.
Sorry kayo, mama.
Okay na. Cheers, guys. Right.
Eh?
Right.
Why?
No, this
No.
you want this one?
It's good. Actually, later you can find out. You know me?
No, you don't drink too much.
No,
Everybody gonna be lazy.
Yeah.
You gotta drink the more one to sleep.
It's a very beautiful day. Where are you going to go in the sun? Tell me that.
Later.
Huh?
Later.
Later the one.